Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up for Uber Eats, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the first step would be for you to get the app. Go ahead, go to your app store and search in Uber Eats over here. Search it up, you will find your app. Go ahead, download it and tap on open. Once I've opened it up, your app will have an access and the option of registering. Simply have to tap on the register option. Simply go ahead, choose your city, where you will choose your city, add your number and add your email, and you can also once you've selected the area and added your number and the email and the password, you will be going to a account setup process. Go ahead, set up your account, and that is it. Your account will be created and you have registered yourself on Uber Eats. Later on you can go to account section at the bottom right, and you will be able to check out your information. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.